Hey guys, today we will be listening to funny meme sounds. Okay, let's get into it.
I like to sing, dance, pretend, and kazoo.
Hello there.
Sunglasses. Okay. More? Why is there so much sunglasses? Weird. This is some nice music. I guess so. Some nice music to listen to.
3 days later.
Oh, the neon karaoke. Why are the glasses still coming down? That makes no sense. I'm trying to stop the glasses.
Oh, baby, a triple! Oh, yeah!
Wow. Ah, he's a ginger. He's a ginger.
Have you ever had a dream that you want him to do you so much you could do anything? That was legitness. Yeah, it was, huh?
My name is Jeff. I be flossing.
I'm not gonna do that one. That one's too strong.
Hey, that's pretty good.
That one's too long.
Run. Hey, Vsauce, Michael here. Well, when life gives you lemons.
He needs some milk. China. Minecraft is my life.
What's up, everyone? It's your girl, Gloria Borger here, to give you guys the hottest news, the freshest news, the most reliable news source of all time.
Sorry if that was too loud.
Yeah, boy! All around me are familiar faces.
Bruh.
I have crippling depression.
LeBron James.
I did not hit her. I did not. Oh, hi, Mark.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
XD. It's high noon.
What a story, Mark.
Now look at this net that I just found.
England is my city. Psych! That's the wrong number. Girl told me take off your jacket. I said
going to jail! Where's the lamb sauce? What's your profanity? Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the... No, 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 no. Look at the top of his head. Oh, that's hot.
I'm
That's
a jelly
hot.
bean.
Stop right there, criminal scum.
It is Wednesday, my dudes.
Stop it.
I'm not
I
gonna.
said stop it.
I'm not gonna do the hit or miss because that one it's not appropriate.
The thing goes skrrrrap, pop, 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 pop. Skibby keep pop, pop, and the poop, 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 boom.
Ooh. Stinky.
Wrong. Snoop Dogg. You know what happened with the D.R.E.
How could this happen to me? I made my mistakes, got nowhere to run. The night goes on as I'm fading away. Yeah!
That's the heavy speed.
Free Shavakadu!
Pepsi bottle, a Coca-Cola glass. I don't give a damn.
You're not my dad!
Mom spaghetti. But can you do this?
What are you doing in my swamp?
Why are we still here? Just to suffer.
We need to build a wall.
These biscuits...
21.
These nuts.
Breakfast.
Oh, hell no!
6.5 hours later.
All we had to do was follow the damn train, CJ.
Just do it!
Why you bullying me?
2,000 years later.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Enemy spotted.
Bye, Felicia.
That's a lot of damage.
I am a potato.
$3.99.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
FBI, open up!
What are you doing on computer? Go outside, so beautiful!
You guys silly? I'm still gonna send it.
Oh my god! No! Oh my
Sorry if that was too loud. Well, that was the last meme. So, yeah. Bye, guys. Have a wonderful after 4 days.